Most iPhone users don't know this, but you can actually customize your share sheet, the apps and actions you see when you tap share. Whenever you share something on your iPhone, a photo, a screenshot, or even a link from Safari, you always see that long row of apps you can share to. You can swipe left or right to see more and scroll down for actions. But that many people don't know is that this list is editable. Swipe all the way to the right and tap More. Here you'll see the apps that can share that item. Tap Edit in the top right. Now you can add apps to the favorites list by tapping the green plus icon. For example, you can add Drive, Gmail, anything you use a lot. And you can even rearrange the order. Just drag the three lines next to the app and place it wherever you want. Make Gmail first, Drive second, totally up to you. Tap the blue check when you're done. Now scroll down to the Actions section. These are things like copy photo, print, save to files, add to album, AirPlay, and so on. You can add actions the same way. Tap the plus icon next to the ones you want, and you can reorder them too by dragging the three lines. Tap the blue check again. Now you open the share sheet. Your favorite apps are exactly where you want them, and your actions are organized the way you like. It's a super useful hidden iPhone feature that makes sharing way faster and way less messy. If you found this helpful, share with your friends, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.